Welcome to the MX Social Show. My name is Sheldon and the head is big for a reason. Now today we are about to agenda. It is about to go down. You know what time it is, right? Now, this weekend, the things were happening. Me and Kasa, they bust my mind. But as I compare the content for this weekend show, and I say, I feel that my break, I tired this country. We have had the chronicles of Nana Agradaa, aka Agradaa. Now, from the famous declaration to burning of gods to the baptism in the swimming pool, a whole lot of stories, bro. How we just go fit day here? No, somebody go past and someone come. No, you say right now she has seen Christ, she has seen the light. You say, see her there. She said, nah, she can't be identified with that name, that ghost. Nah. I say, oh God, Agradaa. I say, yeah, nah, nom, yeah, nah, nom, yeah, nah, no, mosum, abosom, kese, na yeah, day. Agradaa day, oh, it is about to go there. But then Ghanaians are saying, say, there is no change in value. Did I say value? Hey, value, the value, hey, is it value? The value is the same. So yes, that is what Ghanaians are saying on social media. And Charlie, we have a lot of stories to talk about today. I have my guy with me here, Don Success. This guy, if you see the circle there, you know. The agenda squad. This one be the chief defensive midfielder. Into your bar. In the brand no cry, you move to you. I say I have him here with me. The last time we had an amazing conversation. I cry and I feel for me make too much. Anyway, so yes, they come back. We go take commercial break. We will come back. But then you can join the conversation on our social media platforms or on your social media platform with the hashtag MXSocial. And our social media handle is MX24GH. Facebook, we are live right now. Join us. Tell your friends that Kwadwo Sheldon, the principal of Violence Senior High School, Wajina Kumya, and it is about to go down. I dey come back right now. Don't go away. I dey come.
I think I have a super yogurt.
Catch the plane.
No, lemon.
Super Yugo Plain tastes like bliss.
The Super Yugo Lemon gives you that zing.
Super Yugo Plain is nourishing enjoyment.
Super Yugo Lemon is nutritious pleasure to the point. Hey, lemon,
Plain.
lemon,
Plain.
lemon,
Plain.
lemon.
Hello, boss. Can I have a super yogurt, please? Plain or lemon?
Plain.
Support your immune system with vitamin B6 and vitamin D in the goodness of Super Yogo.
Just give me both. Give them some too. I'll pay for it.
Did we say we come pay?
Super Yogo, go for more. This advert is FDA approved.
Welcome back to the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon and the head is big for a reason. And as I said, you can join us on social media with the hashtag MX Social. Tag us, drop your comments. We are going to read some of the comments. Because today is about, I have a long list of things that I say Ghana and saying, yeah, here YouTube channel. Oh, in this Niaman is easy now. Then one person will just compile and go and put it on there because Ghana is a walking drama. It's like, hey, every week. So, oh my God! So today we just we come have fun. Some people them are favorite persons. Then go there inside where them go ball. But me I don't care. Me I don't care. I will say it. So yes, let's just get straight into the top. The first one, let's talk about the chronicles of Nana Agradaa. I'm sure you have seen the sequence. You see, I have tagged this. It be like it be episodes. The first one was the famous declaration after she was released. She did a press conference saying, and yes, she's no longer identified with the gods, with the name Agradaa and all those things. Then the next one was her burning down the gods. They went to the shrine. I didn't go there. They went to the shrine. They brought out some of the gods or all the gods. We saw champagne bottles, moe and things. So they burned it. And the next one, was yesterday, which was the baptism, and she did it in a swimming pool. I don't know what is going to happen next, whether she's going to organize a crusade for Sohutuom or anything, but look at the series of events that have happened. What do you think about it?
First of all, I'm from Sohutuom myself.
You be Sohutuom boy, medical. Why don't they support medical?
They live around Sohutuom. I know come out Sohutuom.
Okay, okay.
So I think over the past weeks, normally she get posters then for everywhere.
Yeah.
She will move everything.
She removed all the posters?
All the signposts and everything, she remove them.
Wow.
But me, I feel say everything she do be just another scheme to scam people again.
Yeah, because that's what people are saying. They say there's no change in value.
Because in the first place, Agradaa, no, she no get any power for anywhere where she take do the money.
You sure?
No, she no get anything.
You sure she no get?
I did so to me, they tell you.
You go there before?
I go there before. Like not inside, but I've always been
now, what you Sikagari that?
Oh, that be why I go take Sikagari?
But how did you know, sir, she no get power?
I said she doesn't have because I don't see the rationale behind someone giving you money, then you multiply it. And some people will come and do not get the money being multiplied.
Okay.
Yeah, so it be scam. Where she's trying to look for sympathy in the eyes of Ghanaians.
Okay.
So that she can do something else. Now she says she be evangelist, whatever.
Yeah, I know he was evangelist.
Evangelist.
Yes.
Now she be evangelist, whatever, Patricia. She try get like sympathy in front of Ghanaians just to do another thing again. Okay. The next one will be that now Watia, sorry, in Conform Bram, you come and where she pay this, pay that, Nyamia frame and stuff.
So you don't think that genuinely she has repented?
Please, come on.
Please, if you people have the press conference video, the famous declaration of Agradaa, Patro Mumamame, why? Mumamame.
Dear Rade, I jamame. What Fra Radia Frame, what Gia Radia Jimmy, a home and Nigenia Hua. At this one be an assume, a debiana demi deso, na Kwesi dano, me sofo, a catcher, so Yamia wa Frawono. Was it dear young farmer, a evangelist, Patricia, or Drew Cranton, and Nessa Meteha. Yes, what Jimmy, now was a Sammy D. I am from Nana Agradaa. Now our mammy D for Frobia, ya from evangelist, Patricia, or Drew Cranton. Eradias is Sammy Ding. Now I'm Mammy Ding for Frobby a day, dear Mentias. Oh, when Yamia shipping. Etiana me frame one. Now me shamo bosse. And Kobasa me demanoke canama case ma fa Christo. I am a crana ma jemqua. And Kobasa, I sorry demo canama for Yesu. Some a crana ma jemquano. Nyanko pon a yadum. Nasa Yesu, wa ma. A ya water way. Ano pan 9 o'clock. A soft one penny for bedimachi. Na ya komabusu mfie ho. Na wama jina mwama nyamia tumi aye chuma. Na wama yabusu muni nyina babe gwa bonten. Na manyankopon adum.
So yes, that was Nana Agradaa, the famous declaration. That press conference was brought to you by yes. When we make up now, I want to mention the name of the brand, but also discover my endorsement. But as a makeup now and even the chest is different. But that's not what we are talking about. The issue is your woman is saying that she has seen Christ. That is the famous declaration. And you see how she sounds convincing, very confident. And that is what you were saying when we were off camera. Said like this is how fraudsters behave.
They have vim to do what they yeah. So if they show any sign of timidity, like they know say you go barb them. So they have
but
to
you see, she has gone through the process. So
what process is that?
Tie. The first one was her declaring that she has seen the light. Second was the burning of the gods. The third was the baptism. So you don't believe, sir?
If you've actually changed, I don't think you have to make any news out of it. If you've actually received Christ after doing all you've done, she doesn't have to come out and tell us. She's just trying to put it out there.
But you see the way you see the froster front of Tene. Prior to all these things happening, then Abraham Moshi had predicted, say, Nana Agradaa, there will be a time she would come out to say she has repented. She will join the husband, say also for my minute. I don't know. Do you guys have that video? Abraham Moshi predicting, say,
Abraham Ben Moshi.
Yes, yeah, Abraham Ben Moshi. I always know the Mumfa video in 20 years.
I told you what time now to say, the nice baby. I am check. I got another Casa Sacra. Now, what only you could ever solely add the of mammy. Still, we bring a gun of football. Some commission with them. You're sure it's a very apart from the first. Let's say a prophecy with the emotion. And I said you are telling changes strategy. Okay. Very bad. A very bad phone paying for a video.
You will see this in UK. You will see it in Spain.
So that was Abraham Moshi predicting this. I mean, this video is old and so he actually saw it. He saw it. But so back to your point, you know. So basically, people, that is the conversation on social media platforms. This is just a rebranding process. She's going to hide behind the Bible
and do something else
and extort money again.
And which people in Ghana extort money even more than these traditional whatever gods is the pastors.
Hey.
Like, I'm a Christian guy. I believe in God. I'm a very religious person. I go to church every Sunday.
But but you see, Agradaa, she has burned the gods. So why
I say the gods should bend? Them no be gods. Like there is nothing there. There is no power.
Well, there, let me show you the video. Maybe after the video you will be convinced. No, video. She burned the gods. So see, bucket. Charlie, you see the floor there, Moe and so now about some for the same cash now Nicola.
And who believes that way?
No, but I mean, the over dramatization of this
all is scam. This all is scam. He's just using something to brand her fraud and everything, and now she's hiding behind the word of God and the Bible to do it again. You ask Avram talk. When he predicts maybe you can't talk, say she changed and everything. She go do.
Look at one of the gods.
What's that?
Oh. This one is just. I don't believe in itself will sue there.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey. No information will just But you see what the problem is people are going to believe this. Yesterday Kwadwo tweeted said no, he did somewhere. Then some woman, some old lady, they watch this and the way you see say a woman they hold the Bible and say, hey man, where they were sacred and there are people out there, people out there that are going to believe this. And they are going to fall prey to her antics again. And they are going to be duped and all those things. But the thing is, oh man, crazy.
Ghanaians and Kasa, if you move to them with emotions and being sympathizing and all that, you are going to fall for. Some of them are going to fall.
Anyway,
yeah.
So that is Nana Agradaa with the pastors, the men of God at her shrine in quotes, burning the gods and all those things. As I said, Ghanaians are saying there is no change in value. The value is the same. And my man Don Success here is saying oh, this is just another rebranding to scheme against people again. She's going to extort the money that she has been doing. But I genuinely the wish say this is true.
Oh, me too. Actually.
Then she just go stick to whatever she has promised to do. But well, we can move on to the next one. Now, this one, Kennedy Japan versus Reverend Omofor. They are.
This matter.
You know what? Yeah. I mean, I don't understand why this man is always. I don't understand. You see, where he comes from, he's a politician. There are a lot of corrupt people where he comes from, where he operates, you understand? You can't tell me that there are clean politicians in this country. He knows them, you understand? But why always men of God, in quotes?
Okay, so here's the thing. We know what our politicians are not doing for us, what they are doing and blah. But there are a certain group of people that are men of God that are putting some kind of things in our face.
Yeah.
That is getting too much.
Okay.
Do you understand? I think that is what is vexing him to go at them.
But you see, he knows this is what is happening because please do you have the video of Kennedy Japan sending a warning to Reverend Obofo? Yeah, please play it. Tell us.
Obofo, you have to be careful. And yes, I made it. Because you cannot continue deceiving people, vulnerable people, or they say amassing wealth from the ignorant. God will not bless you. I'm also a mukwasoro. Moye sick. Sanko for a mukwasoro. Moye sick. Enti Obrunina odi asoro bae. Osi say we hudi kwankwam. Ah, wo twitue so wo bobru nzam duo. Obi twisika so ko twitwa brunzam. Oba besia akola hyerechi no.
So that is Honorable Kennedy Japan sending a warning to Reverend Obofo say apparently Reverend Obofo go tell your master, but first of all, how you go fit just go have that kind of conversation with this man when you know say if your matter come, he will come talk him. So if you're having a conversation with him, why would you go and divulge your secrets to him? I don't understand why they keep doing it. Hey, and he will use it as a weapon against you in the nearest future. But at the end of the day, see, it's like he knows all these things they happen, but he would have to wait for something to happen before you come and you understand. So what does they make him? That's what I don't understand, because he knows that this is happening. They are extorting money from people, but right now he's just there. He's not talking about it. Then when something happens, then he will come out and say this and this and this and this and that. What do you think about this?
Honorable Kennedy Japan is just one man. He can't be doing almost everything for us.
Okay.
There should probably be some people talking about all this stuff. So only if he come, then they tell that this secrets come out, or if he do all. So the ones where.
But my point is on him, because he's saying he has evidence, he has information.
Maybe he was advising him backstage. You don't know. How about?
No, but I feel like all the time he knows the criminals in the country. So if you know criminals in the country, what does that make you?
A criminal? Are you trying to say that?
I'm not saying no. I'm just asking. Say you know. Let's say you come and sit there and say, I know this criminal. How did you manage to know them?
I'm just a citizen probably who came by a lot of information.
How did you get the information?
That one is my own. Even with Ken, he has people that give him information. He buys it.
I know that, but it's like.
So it's not like I will know more personal. Maybe I do be a better.
Okay. But in a video on Reverend Obofo to say he respects Honorable Kennedy Japan as a beef near the brain will throw me. Me, I don't like that. They make the work very difficult for me. I'm the principal of Violence Senior High School. If you are coming to start a beef now, greeting from abroad, I feel like go straight to the point. We want agenda. Please, do you have the video of him as a Osrobino? As Osrobino.
I say one is coming, is doing. And Ghana very soon will know the great people and the fakest ones in the country. I swear my dad's grave. I'll come back on air again. I am the king of the night. I will forever defend my title. I will never die as a coward. I still remain the 3 years innocent. And the time will tell. Kabarasi Sansara. People should remember the days of Hot FM. I said this time, even if I die, I will defend my title. I will defend my title. Nobody can finish the unfinished business for other people. Since to honorable. Mechia honorable Kennedy Japan. My right to say Mechiano, or a member of parliament. The honor is coming, is doing.
I don't know, sir. He is saying apology to, I don't know, but like I was expecting him to come and be doing all those things. But as your man, they do greetings from abroad near that day. As Strobino, I don't understand.
This is like the second live video I've seen of Obofo.
But you know, when he had the fight with Agradaa, look at what he did.
He was direct.
He was direct. Why is he trying to do something in it or not?
This guy, because I think when Obinim's agenda came, when Ken was on Obinim, even that time, even after that, Obofo did a live video greeting like Kennedy Japan, like Michia, as I knew Shia, or him for me, kind of trying to make that kind of friendship there, so that in case if you go Baba, like It was
you say something day back.
Yes, so they won't make like friends plus some. So say if you are paya, maybe go come mow them down for some reason.
So yes, that is Obofo versus Reverend Kennedy Japan. Reverend Obofo versus Kennedy Japan. Charlie, I'm tired of them. We move on. Now let's come back to this. This particular issue is dear to my heart because I have done a series of videos about it, and sometimes I don't know what is wrong the people that we have appointed or elected up there. You saw the housing, the Saglame housing projects where
abandoned
houses are taxpayers' money. Of course, they use taxpayers' money if you are going to be realistic here. Monies that they have collected from the taxpayers now, all those things, what they are see there's room and a dining pro. Meanwhile, in this country, we have a housing deficit of 2 million, according to the Minister for Health. It's not health. Minister for Housing, sorry. How are we doing this to ourselves in this country? And when you put this information on, the excuses upon excuses upon excuses, and we have paid a contractor, the contractor is this, like, when? I don't understand.
The houses, when they build them.
Look at this. It just be mind busting. How?
There are homeless people on the streets not having places to sleep. This is sad though, because I think our government is a little confused in a way, because say NDC basso no baby say MPP would come and not even try to even finish it, because your Felisa and you not starting.
It doesn't make sense.
That glory will not be given to him fully.
Exactly.
It's very sad, because that means that we'll be wasting way banner by half project, another one also come and do another half, and nobody will be completing.
This is why I always argue for the National Development Plan. I don't know if we have something like a 20-year
plan,
20-year development plan for the country. This is what we are going to do in the next 20 years. No matter the government in power, so that when they come in power, it is supposed to be enforced. But this attitude of starting a project, going, leaving, like, their power again, this new government will come, this one will go and start a new project. Like, look at this. Wait, did Grammy? Look at this. This thing would make you be serious. How are these things happening in the country?
It's actually sad.
It's sad.
This matter, me at they talk because people will come at you like you are MPP or NDC.
You understand?
We are in this situation together.
See, when you go through, like, the time is excuses upon excuses, like everything we want to justify. Finish the thing and just, I don't understand. How do we have to sit there and waste money like this?
This country, and
this is not the first one, though.
Yeah.
They say if you go to CAF, Confanoche,
someday there again. For the past years, this is not the first time I've heard this.
And it is our
money. It's our money they are using for all that, and it's like they don't care to finish anything.
But make we sit in this country, then make we watch all these things, make it happen. Because this is sad. I hope that the Minister for Housing and the government, they will do something about this. This project must be finished. They are supposed to finish this thing. I don't care. I don't know how they are going to do it, but fix it. Because we are tired of the excuses. And today this, tomorrow we don't have money. And this and this and this and this and this.
If we're also giving them excuses about paying our tax, would they
look at the video. Look.
Wow.
We have police. We have police. The military people. Some of them, when you go to the flats that they live in, it is in deplorable state. This is nice. This is a nice project.
Let's finish it up and make
it man.
Actually sad.
This is sad, man. This is sad. Really, 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 really sad.
Wow.
They will say you are politicizing the issue.
People will attack you right now.
That be the problem with the youth in this country. I follow a lot of the political people on Twitter, the youth and all those things. They always want to view things through political lenses. And it is annoying. Like, issues like this have come out. I do it. But they will find ways and means to justify it and come and give you excuses. What the excuses need, Bremen? What make I take the excuses?
We go suffer then.
A week.
We go suffer then.
Look at this. They can't say and the excuse some be say they didn't do the drainage system well, they didn't build gutters, they didn't do the. Was I supposed to be the contractor for the project?
We don't care.
We
don't give excuses when we are paying our tax.
You understand?
We don't.
If you don't pay your tax, they will come. They will send you letter. They will jail you. But when it is time for developmental projects, people want to give excuses
all the time. For
why?
The past 80 to 16 years.
And at this and at this, and I'm going to sit down in the room. Hey, how that one the concern you? When you people were planning for it, was I part of the planning committee?
We weren't there, but
nah, Charlie, we gotta quit tripping in this country, man. This is sad. Oh, I can't be, you know, because say, oh, we are MPP, we are NDC, we are this, we are CNN, we are this. Master, make you fix this thing. Fine, I don't know. You people knew say the place people they go build their houses in the isolated area. You people decided to go build it there. How is that now an excuse?
Now again, after things are not going right.
In two they say, I mean, yeah, they supposed to be superpowers and come from right easily go. I mean, you make indecisive things for yourself, and later on you come and blame, you come and give excuses. What make I do? Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Now we are going to the sports ministry. You know the budget, right? The budget issue. Now, when the issue came out, it was 25 million for AFCON and World Cup, but the Minister for Sports, the Youth and Sport and whatever, no, he's come out to say it's for all the national teams, the 25 million. Still, you know, they make sense to me.
Me too.
You watch football in this country, right? Yeah. You know how when a football day,
the state at which it is.
As for court football, I don't want to talk about it because I don't cry them, but you see some of the pitches. You see the investment in quotes that they have invested in some of the pitches. It's like a check like my head top, a tutu.
Very poor.
But you want to budget 25 million for nationality. What are they going to bring? For the past how many years? Calabash are winning. You're winning, but you think they think 25 million for all the national. What are they going to do?
I think even when we go to the World Cup, how much will we even win?
Yes, even the AFCON, we are making like 4.5 million.
Which is like 1/5 of that amount of.
I don't understand.
So there is no point in spending much to get something less.
You understand?
And you will not even develop anything in the country to make like the game look beautiful.
Exactly.
Nothing is going on, no development.
So the whole thing is, the argument is invest in the local football, invest in pitches, invest in the development of young talents, invest in the whole league. The winner for Ghana Premier League, they take 200 and something Ghana cedis.
200,000.
200,000 Ghana cedis. Wait. Imagine where we are swap ball. I travel.
Not one player, the whole team.
Wow. One player say the whole team they take that amount of money.
Wow.
You people don't want to invest in the football. You don't want to invest in the grassroots football. You want to invest in this black star. I'm not saying this is not a matter of being patriotic or unpatriotic, but you people know say and breadwinner they are not winning anything. It is just heartbreak and tears. And inshallah, you people know this.
I think we should not focus on whether they win or not. But the outrageous part is the amount of money they are going to invest, that nothing will come out of, like developmental stuff.
You understand? Invest in local football. Sometimes some of the pitches, you don't watch football then.
They watch for Star Times and be like,
Your mindset go bust.
Wow.
All these things are happening. Look, some of them, Charlie. That be why there's like when say players hit for years more now. You know, he doesn't get going to Tahiti to play football. Afghanistan, no money now. South country, no more. Pakistan. They would rather play football than play here because here the system is twerking.
It's twerking.
Exactly. That is my point. If you want to invest in football, invest from the grassroots. Try the Ghana soccer. Ghana. When we have a match, international match, we have to go to someone's country to go and train. Meanwhile, we have Ghana Soccer Center there. Wow. Then you are coming to tell me that 25 million for.
We all know it's a scam.
Charlie, see. Let us be serious in this country.
Another scam all over again. They'll take all that money, pocket it, do nothing, come and create another excuse, and it goes on.
It's like the Black Stars and this thing is always about money. Like, I don't understand. Me say, I'm going to come with the bank and you it not be my issue. So I'm going to okay, I'm going to so a quarter final, no more fee. Ni akasa, na country man, so go blast them, like it's like
a very. It goes wrong.
Please, Invest in the local league. Invest in local football. That is what is needed in this country. Now EPL. Now more investing in it. We want to put all the money up there for them. If they are, if you invest in something, you're supposed to get something back. Out of it. Do you get it back? Ask yourself.
You don't, and you keep on investing.
Yeah, but can't say
patriotism of money.
Yes, we are patriotic, but sometimes common sense will prevail. Anyway, let's go to the Facebook page and read some comments. This one is from David Kofi. He said, watching live inside NK, the Ghanaian should leave Agradaa alone. Whether she has genuinely repented or faking it, it is only God who can tell. She is not immune from repenting. What you think does not change the reality. I just wish her well if it is from God. But if it's not from God.
He said we should leave her alone. Has she left us alone as victims?
Well, this one from Park. He said the God knowing. They stay those chairs and schnapps. The God said they stay those chairs and schnapps no inside. Okay. So this one is from Godfrey. He said Nana should forget these GFA people and create jobs for us. Watching live from Doma. Yes, so keep your comments coming in. We will read them. Now let's move on to the next one. The next topic is the DM issue. And this is where I have a problem with Sack Nation.
Yeah, flow.
You see what happened? I woke up and I saw T-Pain and Wendy Shea and Medical, they are trending. I clicked on it and T-Pain posted a TikTok video of the number of people that have DM him, and he went to the requested side and all those things. And I mean, you could see, say, some influential people were in it and all those things. But we decided to make the agenda about Medical and Wendy Shea. I don't know.
And Juliet Ibrahim.
Okay. Well, then we will come back to it. Please, if you have the video, play it.
Full of celebs trying to reach me. Dude, is that Fergie? SMH. Oh Lord, I missed Amir. I've been accidentally straight up ignoring all these people for like 2 years. I thought DMs are supposed to just show up in the normal folder, and you don't have to go digging for all these. I apologize to everybody on this list, and the hundreds of others I couldn't fit in this video. These are just the ones I haven't checked and replied to. Yup. I'm stupid. I was today years old.
So yeah, that is a video of T-Pain talking about the DM issue, and you know we saw Wendy Shea, we saw Medical. Wendy Shea say yo Pain, like you know when T-Pain goes school.
With the confidence.
He say yo Pain. Well, first you know was yo Pain. You understand? Yeah. Hello Pain. My name is Wendy Shea, a big fan. Blah blah blah. We couldn't do the whole thing. And you see, you saw Viola Davis, Oscar-winning Viola Davis sent a DM to T-Pain. All these big stars. Why do we have to drag Medical and Wendy Shea for doing a normal thing like that?
If it was Sarkodie, you would have dragged him, two of us.
No problem. True.
Why? So why do you have a problem?
Now my issue is when you drag them. Okay. This is to sack Nation.
Okay.
When you drag an artist, I'm not sure some Medical fans were trolling Sarkodie that morning. So
okay.
Or Wendy Shea fans, they were trolling Sarkodie fans that morning.
Okay.
So when you move to those fan bases and all those things, you throw them, you say all those things about their artists, and they take it. Some of them will just ignore and move on. And when it is time for us to throw Sarkodie, when we set agenda against Sarkodie, then people come and be like, you people don't respect Sarkodie this, Sarkodie that, you don't have to do this, we are always disrespecting Sarkodie.
Who says that?
Oh, please, don't you...
You don't cry. You don't cry on social media.
Please, hey!
Always
you people be emotional past.
When you are done talking, let me talk.
No, I'm talking. Sack Nation be emotional past.
And they defend what a man who is...
No. You defend your man. You go and set agenda against an artist.
They also set agenda against us all the time.
It is not me. It is not about me. It is about you people setting agenda agenda for other artists. But when it is time for us to move to your artist,
you know the funny thing. You know the funny thing. You want to justify all this whole DM issue to Sack Nation.
No, I'm just because you people started it. Please,
what do you mean by
please?
Who started it?
People from your camp. I know. Oh, now please. I don't want to mention names, but you know.
Okay.
It started from
your
camp.
But we weren't the only people.
No, but you see that exactly. But at the end of the day, when it happens, and we try to move to your artist, don't make it seem like we are
keep moving, please. I'm saying
because we say agenda, FA can never set. So we release the album. We did this country.
So what do you have to say about that?
Forget. Now let's get back to the DM issue. Please. Is the DM issue something that is that I feel like we blew it out of proportion because this is normal.
Very normal.
Big collaborations they happen
like
this.
that. Yeah, it's true.
So why do we have to drag here?
They don't have these artists. They don't have the connect to always be flying out there to go and see Pain or Jay-Z. So it always starts from somewhere. It's a good initiative. Just to say, Yawa say T-Pain can post that video. Me, I was like some way.
It was funny.
If you know you are going to reply them, why would you come and post a video of all of them to prove what? It doesn't prove anything. Just reply them and let's move.
Okay.
It's music that they want to feature you in.
Yeah.
If you can't.
Some just tagged him. I mean, normal.
Yeah,
normal. It wasn't that serious.
Even Jamie Foxx was in his video. A lot of stars. Yeah, it's normal.
I mean, people listen to his music, so probably they tagged him and all. That video in the first place was corny. Like I didn't see the need for it. Yeah. But then
I also didn't.
It was out there already and all those things. But I feel like we shouldn't have dragged them because it's normal. Maybe. T-Pain replied medical. If you have the screenshot, put it there, make we. So yes, that was T-Pain's reply. I said, whoa, I can't believe I missed this. Sorry about that. But better late than never. But yeah, let me know if you need anything from me in the near future, and I promise I'll be checking my DMs. We medical reply say, bless you, champ. So he replied. This is how collaborations they start. So I don't know why we make them feel bad for just DMing an artist. It's normal. And if when the Shay or medical decide to screenshot their DMs, some of you are in there begging for Momo. We all know. So you don't have to make them feel bad for doing that.
No, they are trying to be like, even if we will be aired, like them air they too, they are being aired by someone else.
Nah, but it not be that deep. It not be deep.
But this is social media. It's all about fun. We go tease more, we go laugh small. It be normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well there. Me, I know vex. Anyway, so we they come back.
Should I carry you?
Yes, we will come back right now. Me commercial break akraba. One of this thing guest no wa join in. Why late but and they come do another Romeo in things on by you we move.
I think I have a super yogo.
Kick the plane.
No, lemon.
Super Yogo Plain tastes like bliss.
The Super Yogo Lemon gives you that zing.
Super Yogo Plain is nourishing enjoyment.
Super Yogo Lemon is nutritious pleasure to the point. Hey, lemon.
Plain.
Lemon.
Plain.
Lemon.
Plain.
Lemon.
Hello, boss. Can I have a super yogo, please? Plain or lemon?
Plain.
Support your immune system with vitamin B6 and vitamin D in the goodness of Super Yogo.
Just give me both. Give them some too. I'll pay for it.
Did we say we come pay?
Super Yogo. Go for more. This advert is FDA approved.
Okay, so yeah, you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. The hashtag is MX Social, our social media handles MX24G. Join the conversation. I have Dezel with me here. Did I get it now?
Yes.
Okay,
Dezel.
yeah. She was late.
I know.
She did give some explanation. I won't pull the and the dusty things on, but you know go work. So we can move on. Anyway, we have been discussing a whole lot of issues, the Agradaa issue and all those things. First of all, what do you think about the Agradaa thing that has happened?
That woman, I don't know. Like me, I feel she's playing smart. Cause I don't know when God called, maybe an Edayemo or something, but I don't really trust that case.
You don't. The whole transition process.
No. Already, I have friends that have been there before when she was Nana Agradaa.
They have been there.
Oh yeah, they went there to show cases like for staff to move on well for them. They claim the woman took their money and then nothing.
Told you.
Oh, and like when they try going back to get the stuff done, so me, I don't trust this thing. Like,
but she has baptized.
If you like everybody can be baptized at any time.
Pool.
Oh yeah, you understand. Everybody goes to the swimming pool. In Kwadwo, swimming pool. So if me, I feel being baptized in a swimming pool crampo and shut down your rights because swimming pool. And I just say it sounds swimming in free swimming pool because swimming pool, the things that goes in there. It's me. Yeah, and you know, because people do stuff inside, people spit in it and all that. Baptized in a swimming pool, and Agradaa river be and no river, no, it's flowing, so they in and out. Fresh water. Me, frankly speaking, I don't just trust.
Okay.
Because you've been baptized, you claim nyame afro. Wash makeup na then now the press conference. Nyame afro. Unshare human hair they will just say like you have a renowned church and nyame afro the makeup lipstick. Oh, Charlie.
Or strapping Versace the Kobasu.
For clout.
Yeah, one thing for your woman wear Versace go take baptized. I never see that. Hi. No, Ghana. Oh, anyway. But let's move on to our next topic, the Akuapem Polo and DKB issue. So you know when she was in there, they started some GoFundMe and Momo contribution. Now, apparently, she is out and she can't get hold of the money. But the thing is, one thing that she said in the video that I didn't understand, people are calling her, say, they contributed money to her upkeep and all those things. But she has not called them to thank them. I don't understand that part. Did someone force you to contribute?
Oh, but
why do you need that kind of validation from her?
No, I feel when she came out, she was told the people that did her good. So like she did, you know, Polo and stuff. She did a video and then thanking a lot of people, mentioning names and other people. So like I feel the people they gave some amount, which is quite worth it. Say, you're from Mudiaka, say, oh, thank you, Anna. But they didn't hear it. And they say, scan.
But now, do you really have to?
Some people do it for, yeah.
I mean, it's cool. You
at least say, Obe who say like, yeah, the girl knows or she has received the money. You understand?
But in the first place, that money contribution wasn't needed.
Maybe they were contributing to foot for her bail money.
And yes, prisoners or something.
Maybe to take care of those people who love you will do it for you.
But
yes, like that. Like what? I said now. But
okay, so DKB too is saying that he's going to sue Polo
for what?
For defamation, because Polo said she's been calling DKB for the 4,000 or whatever that amount of money confirmation. DKB has not been picking the call, so people jump on the story saying DKB a discount.
And because that 4,000, one person name.
Yeah, that's Aisha Modi and some other person. Well, but video man.
Guys, I'm recovering little by little by God's grace. There's something I want to clear because it's really tarnishing my name. You all know that I was being in cells and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they've given money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys, you know, Polo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person Since I came back from jail, people have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me. And then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday said she's called Aunt Ma Alice when I was in town doing delivery. When she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me. And I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you. Because I really appreciate, aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.
Okay, so that is the video. First of all, do you think this video was needed? Like,
what? It was needed because you go, something happened to you and people have donated money or given money to someone to give to you, and you've not received it.
Okay.
You have to come out there.
But the DKB part, no. I mean, she could have waited a bit.
Waited on what bit for what?
No, like so DKB is
DKB couldn't return her call, but had the opportunity to go and post that he's going to sue.
No, that was after this video. No, but she didn't know what DKB was doing.
You could
not
have
to returned the
you
call.
could have thought
what he was doing. Like even if you couldn't return it that same day, there's a next day, or he didn't wake up.
Maybe he was busy. Or
please, excuse me. He wasn't busy.
He wasn't busy.
DKB a discount.
Oh, wait, like you came out clean to do a video that Momo numbers are out. Let's support our sister and blah blah blah.
But since DKB so we see we say we me akoko.
Also
a discount.
Ondi, I find the panis.
Simple.
Okay. Anyway, but then again, people are saying in case they still they court, they no finish them. But she's been out there talking, doing videos. Don't you think that it will implicate, or she will go talk something where it will implicate or complicate the whole situation?
I doubt she'll say anything.
She's learned her lessons. Now she's like, I swear, she's super careful.
Super careful now.
Hey!
Oh, trust me.
You will sure about this one.
Oh,
she never do anything.
Polo, I'm sure she has. Hey.
Anyway, where school you go?
Well, high school or university?
High school.
Keta school.
Where?
Master Tech.
Okay. So this happened at Wesley Girls. Now, I'm sure you have seen the story, or you have. You know our Muslim brothers, as they are fasting. So this girl at Wesley Girls, she's supposed to fast, but apparently the headmistress is saying she don't know the complications and things you go there inside, so she no go allow her make she fast. Now, even this is not peculiar to Muslims; it's for the Christians and all those things. And this has generated conversation. People saying you know, that kind of I know my right and things. People are saying like the headmistress for allow her make she fast. The girl has been fasting from primary and all those things. She doesn't have the right to prevent the girl from fasting, following traditions and all those things. I will come for the video, but what do you think about this? Do you feel like I feel like the headmistress get point, but maybe she was misunderstood. Because listen, the school there they go fast now. It be 6 to 6. You don't know what is going to happen. Sometimes people fast and they go through all sorts of complications and things. What if something happens?
She has been fasting. Some of these Muslims have been fasting since they were 8. They've been going to school.
Yeah.
They didn't faint or anything. It is high school that they'll go and faint at.
A shock.
Do you understand? It's something that they've been doing since. It's a norm. It's a tradition for them. This is how serious it is for them.
Okay.
So you shouldn't find any reason whatsoever until something happens. You don't have to assume that something will happen. So let's prevent them from doing this and that.
So until something happens, you don't have to assume.
They've been doing it since.
Okay.
Because when I was in primary 5, there was this guy. He's a Muslim. He was, and because now he's turned Christian. He was a Muslim at primary 5. He could fast. SHS and on to me fasting. No, it's wrong. Maybe in a way to her, and there are laws in the school, it's okay.
But people also say because it's a missionary school and all those things. That is why this is like a form of religious intolerance and all those.
You shouldn't allow that.
Then that's bad. No. It's very bad.
You should allow various tribes.
Say if you fast, then you have to go home.
So if the traditionalists for this, they won't pour libation.
Allow them.
You get it. And no libation. Nobody up for on the bed and no.
If it's not disrupting anyone's peace, that is their problem.
Okay, please, if you have the video, Bob, I am quiet anymore.
Draw her immediately.
She was complaining that she's not been allowed to do fasting because I know my daughter, she normally do fasting. Any year that we do fasting, she is also doing the fasting. Even when she was in primary and the GHS, she was doing the fasting and then the same time attend school. So when she came here and she's not been allowed to take to do the fasting, then she was worried. So she told me that she's not been given the chance to do fasting one, and even she had the opportunity to meet the head, and still the head did not allow her to do the fasting.
Ismail, a first-year student, didn't understand why the school does not allow students to fast. And so when the dad called her, she informed him that she is not being allowed to fast. Hence the visit of the dad.
Saying, like, the Muslims are not allowed to fast in this school. I didn't understand. So I wanted to meet the headmistress for her to explain to me. But I didn't get the chance to talk to her. So I was there when they came to call me. She wants to meet me. But at first, I was really worried. I even cried a lot because it's my tradition, and I've been doing it since I was a kid. Almost 8 years I started fasting. So I was very sad when they told me I can't be able to fast this year. I was really sad.
The headmistress of the school indicated it was not only Muslim students in the school that are not allowed to fast, but all students from different denominations, including Christians. But Mr. Al-Hassan was not convinced. He wanted the school to allow the students to fast.
So I myself today and the mother, we came together, and then we sat down with the administrator, and then he subsequently took us to the head. We sat down, and then we started the discussion. So in fact, I said that I want to take her home and then change school for her so that she can get a school where she can do the fasting. But later on, when we finished and the head asked her whether she's ready to go out of this school and go to another school, she said no.
Bushira Ismail indicated.
What is this man talking about? But this man, how can you come and tell you are moving your kid from Wesley Girls to another school because of... I mean, nobody's leaving Wesley Girls.
His time, he didn't understand how Wesley Girls means to a lot of girls.
Oh, no,
like, he won't say that.
Yeah, because the girl said no. Like, outright no.
But frankly speaking, women, we are some way. There are other schools that kids are fasting. There are other B houses that
so you think this one...
headmistresses has issues.
Oh, okay. What be your...
Yeah, exactly what she said, because... they've used the Christian part, say Christians are also not.
You say other denominations.
Whatever. But the truth is, in the year, it's only Muslims that I know that there are particular times that they want to fast. This is something
but
it's not general for the whole world or something. But them, it's in their books, it's in their calendar. It's something that they follow since childhood. So you can't, when you take that from them, it's like you are depriving them of their rights.
Okay, I think that is true. That is true. Okay, so let's move on to this one is the Galamsey issue that has been happening. Now, as usual, the national security or whatever, they have sent soldiers, military people to go and prevent people from mining and all those things. We started this Galamsey, I think City FM or something, they started this Galamsey, no say no to
Galamsey. It trended a whole
exactly. Look at this.
It's bad though.
People can't even get access to potable drinking water because they have destroyed our water bodies, they are destroying our farmlands. And look at this. Wow. This is a source of water for
a lot of people.
Why? And you see, that why I said that operation then they go do there. It is just for the camera. Because this is not the first time.
Yeah, they've been doing
they are going there, they will see the excavators where the excavators did.
You see the video.
Medina.
Look at this.
Every year they go there, take pictures, take videos like they are doing something.
It's just a charade, like it's a lie. They'll take these people there. They'll put it on camera. Oh yeah, they are working.
Look,
tomorrow they'll start.
That is the military guys going over there. Yesterday I saw a video, they were shooting in the air like they are some
they'll end up killing people, but they'll still go.
You see, that we can't find a permanent solution to this problem.
The truth is, it's not only Ghanaians that when it's Ghanaians doing the mining, the mining, they call it galamsey. But if it's Chinese, it's illegal mining.
Yeah.
You see, so
small scale mining.
Yes,
but
small
these
scale
Chinese
mining.
people claim the chiefs and
Yes,
then
they've
the
given
kings.
them.
For your people,
the right. They sold it out.
It is us, the chiefs. They own the
Almost
land.
like we are gone.
It's like a goal for them.
And this is sad.
Slavery is still there.
You see, people are complaining about shortage of water and all those. People don't have water and all those
Yes.
things. Now look, the water bodies, that is supposed to supply us with potable drinking water. Is it potable? Potable, right? Yeah. Look, they have destroyed the water body. Me say why? And you see, some of the I don't want to but this country, we just a joke.
Some way, but if you
look at this.
The whole water body,
the green, so the water has to be clear enough.
Look, do you think you can go to China and go and get the land there and mine?
You can't. No person will take any amount of money.
I've been in China for a year. Those people, they are selfish. Everything should be about them. They'll give you what to do what.
Even Chinese here in Ghana, they don't patronize from Ghanaians. They patronize from
those
their
are
own
the fishing, like the fishing.
So if they come here, and it's like we are giving them the liberty to do anything that they want.
Now, but you see, at the end of the day, we need to find a permanent solution to this, because this attitude of we wait, because look, it will take a very long time for this water to resettle and all those things. Meanwhile, there are people living around, they don't have access to water. And how? In so own man,
that's a remote village or something. Pipe
village people are supposed to enjoy this. This is supposed to be water, like
they'll keep polluting it because this thing, I don't know when it's going to settle.
It will take a while before.
You see, when I think about this country, sometimes in Tiasio,
it's sad. It's really
look,
really
the
sad.
Tamanu town issue, like the friend, you say they have locked up for how many weeks? 2-3 weeks. People are fetching water
already.
From gutters.
Water flowing there is very difficult. Tamanu town and
Wait, the boy, man.
It's bad. It's really really bad.
No, sometimes in Tiasio.
I never wanted to believe that this is Temao.
That's
I had to go
Tamanu town.
Somebody should have called me.
That's where man is. So I went to school there.
Wait, if when you drink this water, how?
They will later give us the water and
already
come and tax us.
You understand?
Again.
How you in so many good gutter, you don't even know the chemicals in the gutter or
gutter water be water.
No.
Even the river water is not cool. Now gutter water. And like frankly speaking, Tamanu town, the gutters there's things. Even the smallest gutter.
No.
It's bad.
See, we for be serious in this country. This doesn't speak well of this country.
Ghana.
Ghana.
Anyway, so with the Monkoso, show no, so yes, I had Dezel, right? Yeah. Dezel, the model. Yeah. Why did you use the nose masks to sew dresses and all those things?
Oh, say we are giving Ghanaians something to talk about.
I didn't know they preventive virus.
Like it was a preventive something item campaign. Or two.
Okay.
So yeah, it went to the parliament group and everything.
Wow.
And easy.
It'll be small.
Yeah.
Why they wanted to call you to come and defend yourself or what?
Oh no, but it wasn't nudity. So yeah.
Okay.
Like it's creative. Okay. It's creativity.
But the place that you're supposed to use the thing to cover, I didn't cover.
I did.
She covered.
Check the pictures. I covered.
Okay.
And it was trending. Like ladies in the US, they did like wild ones.
Then I saw your pay set out.
She's a model. How you go?
Maybe so. Anyway, Charlie, what happened? So, what is happening in the world of sack?
Sack how?
You are the mouthpiece.
Everything be okay. You drop song.
Okay.
Your man to drop song.
Fugazi no hitting 1 million.
Na mo hitting 1 million.
They hitting.
You've dropped a song close to a month now, and it has not clocked even 500k. But as 1 week, upper 500k.
But some advert. You people are doing advert.
I didn't know. You spoke about ad placement some time ago. I advising Sack that he should do that. Now you are against him doing that.
Because you people want to. No. The argument is you people coming
contradicting your
own. You one person.
The argument is them coming to generalize everything and saying, this is organic views.
But wait,
there's paid
advertising is like marketing.
You are promoting it.
It's better than buying views.
Into why na koto.
I don't care. I don't know
People buy.
who. I don't know who. Have I mentioned anybody's name?
What's Stone Boy?
Hey! I didn't mention anybody's name.
Who?
People buy.
Okay. Anyway, anyway, so this has been the end of the show. Next weekend, the same time.
Yeah. I want to give shout outs to this guy.
Who?
He's called Benopa. He has his website. Beno.onyx.com. Yeah, he's a good blogger. You guys will always check your news out on his site.
Yeah, madam.
Me no, like I'm about to rebrand.
It no be small.
And easy. Me the nyame friend.
Agradaa
me the nyame friend.
Okay.
Me my friend me ho. But nyame intimate ase.
Now rebrand the news to what?
Like I'm just taking out the model from my name because of inspiration. See, young girls in the model adorson.
Okay.
Though yeah, Dezel the model number one with that top.
Yeah.
But the model not adorson. Ever.
Okay. Matthias. Anyway, so thanks for being part of this show. Thanks for watching. Same time next weekend, we will come back. And Charlie, agenda near best set. My name is Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. My palm.